Hey everyone. So, big news today. I just got a fridge. You can see on it, it says let's see, right here. See? It says refrigerator. That's how I know it's the right one. And in the theme of doing videos that are not at all the theme of my channel, that are genres of other YouTube videos, I am going to make an unboxing video, which means I'm going to unbox this. I was going to get a scissors, but maybe I can just with my bare hand, just a bare hand unboxing. That's how a minimalist unboxes. So I've been just eating all my food for a year, which works. It's not hard. You just buy a meal and then you eat it, right? You'd be surprised though how long you could just let shit sit out unrefrigerated and then eat it and then not get sick. But now I can actually refrigerate things. That means I can buy vegetables. I've been using not having a fridge as an excuse to eat kind of poorly. And I don't think that I'm emotionally ready to stop eating poorly, so I'm probably just gonna eat like shit for a while anyway, but at least I can put the leftovers in the fridge instead of just always eating everything. Oh my god, why is this so difficult? The hardest life, why? I thought it was going to be really hard to get up the stairs, because I remember it being really heavy in the store, but these grippy thingers, I think that's what they're called, grippy thingers, made it really easy. So, it was supposed to come last week, but the delivery driver selfishly decided to get into a car accident, so it had to come the next week. It was very inconsiderate of them. Alright, it looks like it's upside down right now. Wow. Wow. That is amazing. Look at this perfect, untouched bottom of a refrigerator. How often do you see the bottom of a refrigerator? Not every day. In fact, I'd guess a lot of people have never... You know what? I think I've never seen the bottom of a refrigerator before. Until now. I probably shouldn't do this on my bed. I don't have any other space to do it anywhere else, though. Oh, that was the top of the refrigerator. So that's the bottom of the refrigerator, right there. That's a lot more interesting. Single door, single door, single door minimalism. It made a pressure noise when it opened. That was the future. And it comes with a little ice tray. There's a little ice tray in there. Fuck yeah, I don't have to buy an ice tray. I'm gonna make ice. That's the first thing I'm gonna do with it. Man, having ice is gonna be such an upgrade. Look at this. It's just it's just open. This whole thing. You see my hand through the back of it. Like, that's how opened this is. You can just see all the mechanisms. Fridges look like bombs. They probably just sold me a fucking bomb. They're probably just gonna try to kill me for no reason. But they didn't do anything. I didn't clear out a space for the fridge before I got it. Now I have to move stuff. It's probably gonna go under the sink. I think in proper feng shui, you're not supposed to have your refrigerator with your food and in your kitchen, because refrigerators are metal energy and metal cuts wood, and your kitchen area needs to be an area where wood energy flows. So I don't know, I guess I just have to live with the bad chi. I kind of like the idea of having my refrigerator in like a really dumb, unpractical spot, and then trying to explain to people that I put it there because I'm afraid of Chinese ghosts. I've fucking seen Mulan. Those ghosts are scary. Okay. I'm just gonna put it right there. That's a good spot. Just right there. And the best part is I have magnets. I have so many magnets. At the ICMI, there was a magnet exchange of fridge magnets. So I got a Chicago magnet. See, I got the Chicago one. And then I got this German one. I forgot. He told me what it meant, but I forgot. He said it was complicated. Ich bin grad etwas neben der Spur ist schon da. I don't know. Oh, I have a Minnesota magnet. My mom heard about my fridge magnet and she grabbed me this one, which is very funny. So got that one. Also a Christmas Story one. Which, is this Minnesota relevant? I guess this movie is. I don't remember the history. And then this New York one. If I remember correctly, I think these were the ones that Lady Hitler was giving out. If I remember correctly, some things are kind of a blur, so I might have that wrong. But hers was this was very informative, and I like the bird. Lots of good information about New York. Was that all of them? I think that was all of them. Yeah, that was all the magnets. Let's see. I got, oh my gosh, so much stuff here. Oh yeah, and then I have, what is this? Returns confirmation. I don't know what that's for. Oh, that was for TFM's book. Got sent to the wrong place. And then I had my N-word pass from a real black man. Did I lose it? No, I have it right here. I have my N-word pass to decorate my refrigerator with. One use only though. That's a bitch move. I'm gonna wipe that part out. I'm gonna wipe that out. Then my N-word pass will be perfect. No, it is perfect. It's perfect as it is. So I have lots of lovely things to decorate the refrigerator with, and then I have to decide what to put inside the refrigerator, and that's gonna be an incredible journey. So that's about as many interesting things as I can say about having a fridge now. Bye.